downtown Orlando, a place I don't like to frequent much. Hopefully, it'll be worth it. Welcome everyone. For today's great adventure, we find ourselves in downtown Orlando, right next to the Amway Center in the Geico parking garage for a Solar Bears event. And hopefully I'm gonna meet up with a friend of mine. We're gonna check out open house and a tour of the Amway Center. And you, my friends, come join us. In October 1st, 2010, the Amway Center in this location opened. And the Solar Bears are affiliated with the NHL team, the Tampa Bay Lightning. And I'm a NHL fan, I'm a Bruins fan, but I do enjoy hockey. It's a sport you gotta actually see in person and appreciate much more. I would say it's in the top 2 or 3 to see live in action. And we are in. We're gonna do a tour later on. There's some roller hockey going on. They're selling some merchandise and some equipment. Let's go walk around and see what they got. All right, I met my friend Pedro from Joe on the Go. Pedro, tell me a little about your channel.
How you doing? Pedro from Joe on the Go. I have a channel walking around Orlando, Central Florida, just walking tours, showing around the areas.
And I'll put a link down below and check his channel out. It's a good channel. And they got some merchandise for sale as well. Got some jerseys for sale here. I'm looking for a Bruins one. Doubt I'm gonna find one here though. And I don't play hockey, but Pedro does. He said some good price on some equipment here too. And later on, they're gonna bring us on a tour around the whole Amway Center, and I'm looking forward to it. And in the spirit of full transparency, I've never been to a Solar Bears game. I've been to a Bruins game in Tampa versus the Lightning and in Sunrise versus the Panthers. I'll have to check out a Solar Bears game one day. And here are the season ticket prices and the corresponding seats. And it is time for our tour check-in. Yeah, I gotta say something. I really like the Solar Bears logo. It's a play on the polar bears. It's we're in Orlando, Florida, and it's a lot of sun. That is really cool. Check out this beautiful mural inside the Amway Center. Representing Florida, the gator, the oranges, wildlife. All right, as far as the tour goes, they wouldn't let us film in there. Pedro contacted them, we never got a response, so sorry about that. We'll put a few pictures up there though. So, better luck next time, right Pedro?
Yeah, next time.
All right. So here in downtown Orlando, in the corner of Huey and Church, right behind me is the Amway Center. I'm in the parking lot, or was supposed to be maybe a entertainment center that never got built. But this was where I actually worked from 1998 to 1999, right here in this property. The Amway Center was the garage, and where I'm at now was the MJB Annex building. It's pretty neat to come here 20 years later. And the Amway Center is right off of Huey, right off of I-4. Here's I-4 right there. And Pedro and I do a little bit of walking downtown, and they got some sneaky nice murals here. And just a few blocks north of the Amway Center, they have a UCF downtown campus as well. Go Knights. And look at this right here. We found the EA Electronic Arts EA Sports. It's in the game.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
They got the Madden up there on the big screen. And this was the location of the old, used to call it the O-Arena. It's about 4 blocks north of the Amway Center now. It's a really nice area too. It's beautiful. Let me show you around. Here is the Orlando sign, and right across from the EA Sports, it's got this whole beautiful area to lounge around in and just hang out. You got the apartments over there, the UCF and Valencia here. This is grown by leaps and bounds. And EA Sports moved down from Maitland, which is about 20 minutes north of Orlando, right into downtown Orlando. And this is my first time down here. Like I said, I don't come downtown too often. It's called the Creative Village around here. And it's really neat. It's really, really well done. And it looks like they have stage lighting here for concerts out here in this open area. And they're still building. This is just the beginning of it. As you can see behind me here, turning around, there's plenty more to go. And that, friends, is gonna wrap it up here in downtown Orlando. Pedro, I wanna thank you for inviting me to the Solar Bears tour downtown. This is really neat. I like it a lot.
Thanks for hanging out, man. I appreciate it. It's awesome meeting you.
Gotta do it again.
Yeah, definitely.
Please like and subscribe. Take care. Until next time.